So chips today, some mushroom and pepper again, with steak obviously. Oh, that's looking good. I'll just sear that edge. So the rest is done. Nice to just sear that, stand that up, if I'm lucky. Oh yes. I give that fat edge a good crinkling. Lovely job. So I'm having that today. That's a bit of guava. That's lovely ale, that is. That's the Brewdog Hazy James. Nice actually, the guava. It's a good idea actually. Splash a bit of that in there. Some of the head. Oh, that's an even better idea. A little bit hot, 2.5. Let's turn that down a sec. 2. And I'm eating that with some yoghurt, lemon juice, just a bit of salt and herbs, parsley, mint, coriander. Mixing that in. Tiny bit of salt in there as well. That'll go on the table. Oh, that's good. Mediterranean sort of thing. Now I'm going to add a good dollop of mustard in there. A little bit more. That's all it needs. Something like that. Yeah, darling. Now, leave that there. It's not going to be enough. We need a little bit more. Have a sip of beer. Cheers. That's all it needs. Oh yes, that's lovely. And don't forget to always turn the cooker off at the wall. There's a bit of ketchup from yesterday, the day before I think. Just pop them chips onto the plate. There we go. You couldn't see that, but there you can now. Just about. And there we have it, folks. Steak a la bit of mustard relish. I'm going to stick that. I don't necessarily want fat, but I'm just going to plop that straight onto that. Like so. Lovely. And I'm going to call that done. Bon appetit, folks.